Here, in this question, we have to solve these two equations using the cross multiplication method. Now, whenever you have to use the cross multiplication method, your first step will be to write the two equations given to you in this form. First equation will be written in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And the second equation will be written as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This will be your first step. You have to write the two equations in this form. So we will follow this step. First of all, we are going to write these two equations in this form. So the first equation will be written as 4x plus 6y and then minus 15. We need 0 on the right side. Similarly, in this one, it will be 3x minus 4y and then minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have done the first step, that we have written the two equations in this form. Now if we compare these two equations, see, coefficient of x will be known as a1, coefficient of y will be known as b1, and the constant will be known as c1. So from the first equation, we are getting a1 as 4, b1 as 6 and c1 as minus 15. So we have got a1, b1 and c1 from the first equation. Now from the second equation, if you compare, then remember coefficient of x, that is called a2, coefficient of y, that is called b2, and the constant is known as c2. So from the second equation, you are getting a2 as 3, b2 as minus 4 and c2 as minus 7. Okay, now what will be our next step? Now you will have to write coefficient of x and y and also the constant term in this pattern: b1, c1, a1, b1. And then for the second one, you will write b2, c2, a2 and b2. So you will write this pattern now. After writing them in this pattern, what you see, now here you will take product, this product, and this broken arrow, this product, and these two products will be subtracted. Similarly, in this case, first you will take this product, from it you will subtract the other product. Similarly, in this one, this product, and then you will subtract this one. Now what to do next? Now you will write x upon, now under x you will write difference of these two products. Now remember, this continuous line product will be taken first, so it will be b1 c2, and then this broken arrow product will be subtracted, minus b2 c1. You will write like this, is equal to, then it will be y upon. Now you will take this product, the continuous arrow product will be taken first, so c1 a2, and from it you will subtract this broken arrow product, c2 a1, is equal to, then you will write 1 upon. Now this continuous arrow product first, a1 b2, and from it you will subtract this broken arrow product, a2 b1. So you are going to write it in this pattern. Hope this is clear to you now. Now you have already got value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now you substitute these values in this pattern. So it will be x upon, now it will be b1 c2. So you can see here b1 is 6 into c2. c2 is minus 7. Then you will be subtracting b2 c1. So b2 is minus 4 into c1. c1 is minus 15 is equal to y upon, now we have c1 a2. So you can see c1 is minus 15 into a2 is 3, and subtract c2 a1. c2 is minus 7, a1 is 4 is equal to 1 upon, then you have a1 b2. a1 is 4 into b2. b2 is minus 4. Then you will subtract a2. a2 is 3, and then you will subtract a2 into b1. b1 is 6. Now let's solve it. We have x upon, now this will become 6 into 7 minus 42. This will become minus into minus plus, plus 60, and then minus, so it will become minus 60 is equal to y upon, this will be minus 45. This will become minus minus plus 28 is equal to 1 upon, this will become minus 16 and minus 18. Now let's see what result we are going to get over here. Now this will become x upon minus 42, and then we have got minus 60, so this will give you minus 102 is equal to y upon minus 45 and 28. So this will give you minus 17 is equal to 1 upon minus 16 and minus 18 will give you minus 34. Okay, now what we will do, now we have to get value of x and y. As you can see, these three fractions are equal, so we can equate them. So first of all, we will equate this fraction containing x with this constant one. So when we equate this one, see, you will be getting x upon minus 102 is equal to 1 upon minus 34. Now if you solve it by cross multiplication, so x is equal to, you cross multiply minus 102 upon minus 34. Minus minus will reduce it, and 34 will reduce 102 3 times. So you will be getting value of x as 3. Now to get value of y, now we will equate these two fractions to get value of y. So y upon minus 17 will be equated with 1 upon minus 34. So you will be getting y is equal to minus 17 upon minus 34. So when you reduce it, you are getting y is equal to 1 upon 2. So we have got value of x as 3 and value of y as 1 upon 2.